are you?
Papa ni coach. Back.
Hey, y'all niggas ain't even got class up front. O cara conseguiu la piloto di class. Che la riconvenere over the top.
Eu acho que o YouTube precisa apoiar coach e não pegamos
Makatebe.
Makatebe.
Okay,
Ah, it's fine, it's a cat. So like, man, come on, so like, if they want to work and get to la paya, TikTok, Insta, to la gala group.
Instagram Makatebe 284.
Yeah, guys, we have been following, so like, please rate us out of 10. So it's yeah. Okay, so to
Ngupha 6.
6. Yeah, no fana.
Ngupha 5.
5. Okay, so my who will do this? Get part. Takas come now.
Ooh.
Why?
Hey bo. Ngobe yabo at least.
Movie kanti.
Ayikho movie. Nakangathi mncane ntonyana yabo.
Umntalo umuntu una 18 yazi uyazi.
Hayi nakangathi mncane.
Mncane ne. Yaba ngesikhathi sakho. So like angaqedi. What is the word of the day ke?
Word of the day.
Yeah.
Ay iba wu, ay.
Yeah, iba uwe ne.
Yeah, iba.
Thank for isikhathi sakho.
Akufani.
1-0 boy.
Ukuzakala.
Back manish. Angifuna ukuqhayisa. Yazi ku YouTube sizopoye coach na feka mshe.
Andisa.
Bani?
Andisa.
Mama kufuna bangakuthola phe.
Ku TikTok Starfire Andisa.
Okay, so my name please rate us out of 10.
4 5.
Oh, 4. Why 4?
Ayo. Angaza.
Okay, so my like who would do date? Lona. Why?
Cause wena bojana umngane wami.
Amuthi.
Hayi why kumele sikhulume manje.
Hayi. Angijanga ngathi bethu who would do date pass wami namfana lo. Amaka why?
Nyasho mase reason.
Okay, so like who is handsome pass wami namfana lo?
Uwe. Makenge ngitshela.
Why?
Nje.
Yaba isikhathi sakho. It was YouTube to support go to back. I'm here with Napa for Tsekwen. Okay. I'm here with Tulisi yene. So my name la nginomngane wami yabo. So like best close rate out of 10. Yeah.
Ngagrade 5
Yeah.
and then ngamgrade 7.
Wabafana man. Awwa.
Lord na 7. Why?
Anamangazi.
Isayib zakho lezi.
Hayi,
So my why ke uzomletha 7.
angina reason.
Okay, mara is he handsome?
Hayi. Ngeke ngikwazi ukuphendula.
Okay. So my
Right.
so my who would you date pass come now?
Akekho.
Okay, like oyi-1 nje like ukuthi lo ungcono nyana than lo.
Hayi akekho.
Akekho.
Yeah.
Mina ngifa nalomfana lo.
Eh?
Mina ngifana nalomfana lo mina. So manje ke who do it? Okay, ongconywana phakathi kwami nalomfana lo.
Akekho.
Lona
La.
uyazi. Eh?
Nanga.
Ngafa isikhathi sakho ne. Nistanga 2 ngiyakushaya. 2. Ask me to support coach. Kinalima. Karabo mabonya ka like bakathola kae mona TikTok Insta thola kala ko kae wena.
TikTok.
Yeah, Esbani.
Iconic KO1.
Yeah, guys, be khupha lo follow ne. So my please rate us out of 10.
Ngiqala ngalone.
Yeah. Yo. Ya ngazi yazi singakhuluma.
4
4 mina
7.
7. Okay, so my who do it pass come nalomfana lo.
No one.
Why?
Anina potential.
Wabafana man. Awwa.
Unayo lo?
No.
Okay, mara okay like ongcono nyani ukuthi lo like singazama.
Mina shall I go by looks, ne?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say who will.
Nabanyana bankinya.
Oh.
Nah.
Him. Okay, is this boy ugly?
No.
But why don't you want him?
Hakanayo like potential.
In potential.
Like I'll fit in kutube.
Oh, like it's hype mkweba.
But I'll fit the criteria, boy.
Criteria. Angisho ne type girl.
Yeah.
Ukukhiyana naye ne bamba.
Fere, type yakho umuntu onjani fi?
Type yami. Umuntu omude.
Color.
Konke.
Konke.
Yeah, ku right.
Shit nomunga omnyama njenge tire.
Hayi phela ingale yondlela.
Nafi. Ngoba mina ngimfishane.
Yeah.
Makasalingana mos. And kungabuza 6 mos. Ngoba siyalingana.
Yeah, hey.
Wangafunge. Why ukhetha le njalo embi?
Akusinja.
She want me.
Yini? Oh asinja.
Yeah.
Asinja yini? Yini umuntu?
Yeah, umuntu.
Handsome.
Cute.
Mina njani fela? Ngitshele ngicute ngugly skomota ngitho.
Right.
Uhake fela. Futhi wena.
Ukhathile ka.
Ukhathephi mkwepha?
Okay, so
Because I'm a YouTuber, I know.
Friendly what ne? Doesn't mean anything.
Angimfostanga text that's it.
Okay, so my like how was it ukhuluma naye?
We go right.
Okay, so my is the type of boy you will call for.
No.
Why? So my kanti why umhaga my?
Friendly what? Angifuni ukuthi afeel embarrassed.
Yama first sakho le.
WhatsApp status issue.
Ask YouTube so boy go to nampet. Ngobani la?
Tinhle.
Bani?
Utinhle.
Tinhle. Nginobani la?
Unombali.
Mbali. So my mabafuna banganthola phi?
Ku IG as _Mbali _ and then go TikTok as Miss Scarface.
Mina ku TikTok is Tinhle _ST no Instagram.
Okay, so like please rate both of us out of 10.
Yo nina nizenza abantu abakhulu ne.
Hey, banna. Hey, banna.
Ay, mkhulu ngani?
Why nizenza ama chips? Okay.
Ama chips ngani?
No,
Okay.
no, okay, fine.
Ngithethe ukukhuluma.
No,
Okay,
yes,
lona ke.
5,
Mina
6.
Ngiyenzani?
is rate out of 10 man. Namfana lo.
No 2.
Siyazama yabo.
Athi yo makaqeda.
Rate lo dakqa.
Oh, hahle. 2 isaphi yo 1.
Okay, mina ke.
0 ntake ayi right.
This boy with zero. Ah, it's 5. Yeah, mina
5 yani wa 0 buti yo.
0. Okay, so my who lutet pause kwa mna lo mfana lo.
None of you guys.
Update.
Ubani ongamthola?
Akekho.
Sama type.
Isaphe kubani?
Minus.
Wozala tang. Tanya okay. Lona yena.
No.
Makosa ngitaka batsondela ntanga. Sondela ntanga ngiyacela boy.
Ay makukhasa ngaya sithayi.
Ngiyacela boy. Hey, ndish boy. Awuhlethe. Oh, okay. Okay, so mina ke into ekumele ngiyenze ukuthi ngibe type yakho.
You don't have to do anything. I just don't want you like that.
Why?
Nje, you're not the guy who dates.
Why?
Personality or looks.
Njani kanti?
I don't know. See type.
Umuhle.
I don't know.
Atsumuhle.
So manje wena iziphi izinto ekumele ngichange?
Ayikho shem.
Ngeke nje ngilunge.
Angeke ulunge.
So manje wena why uthi mina ngizenza chips?
No, because when
Izwa wena uyajima awujimi uyo sangomeni uyocela umuthi uye
Sisekake.
Yo trend ne?
ayikho.
Wena
You just
Why uthi mina ngisenza chips ke?
why isn't the chips?
Engathi ngibawakayo.
Abangani bakho baqambela manje. But you're fine. You're looking cute. You're looking cute.
Phela manje sengiyanyelwa mina ngithi uthi why uthi mina ngisenza chips. Okay, like umbuzo ukuthi kanti yini le mina like engiyenzile ekuthene off ukuthi ayi mfana uzenza chips.
Thanks. Maybe it's
Yeah?
uyangichaza.
Ngise akuchazi nje.
Baba yenzakalani ekhebe usibizeleni.
I just for nje lento le. So my yini i word of the day lapha.
Anginayo.
Anginayo.
Ayivaleni. Ask YouTube to boycott. Yeah, I know it's been long. Mama sengibuyile vele. Yabo. Subscribe bani lapho ngiphethe bani lana.
Owami nje.
Ngiyacela ukubona la esikolweni ini umusha ne.
Ngifike vele grade 8.
Okay. So nema ebheka ne. Yeah? Tuku SS mine ntanga. Okay. So my so my please rate us a top 10 mina nalomfana lo. 2 ne.
3.
3 ne.
Yeah,
Mina
mina
5. Okay, so my who do it pass come nalomfana lo mubi.
Muntu.
Eh?
Muntu because no it's one fully under
Okay,
its type.
makalo muhle na.
Akho muhle.
Woza vela. Usho ukuthi guys. Boy asikaphintsa. Thank you boy. Yeah. So nisho zala mandoda. So yini into angachange ukuze ajo nawe lo mfana omubi.
Why you see movie?
Muhle ke.
No, like,
Ikhala kuphela.
Khala nje.
kumele ngipleach.
No, like ungableach makanje ikhala.
Khali so.
Mubi ne?
Sayishintshe. Uma kwebona unjalo.
Ngale ke. Guys, ngiyaba isikhathi sakho.
Sithule ngoba ivideo yakho asathula
Phezulu.
phela. Ngoba ivideo
Eyo ku YouTube, your boycott. Ngiphethe bandana.
Sbash.
Ucabanga nengaka sibadla. Ucabanga next ne. I hope asaba fan. Ngiyadlala nto. So my best close rate out of 10. 2 nelo. Angiyazi.
wena negative.
Hayi akasikhulumele rate ake.
Singiqale ku. Ngoba kunamhlanje 5.
3 0 7. Yeah. Okay, so my ubande
1.
1.
Ngiyabona something yana.
Ayindishtanga umubi.
Wena unjalo.
Cameraman yena.
So my bheka ne. Ubani ongamjoyela like ongcono nyani ukuthi lona like singazabi because ungcono yena nje. Emsayijula. Oyidala boys.
Yeah?
Okay, so like ubani ozamayo ungathi lo ngamjoya ake siyafana maka mina ngimuhle kunayo
Ungcono kunayo
ngcono kunayo
khona.
Like umuhle kuyi. Hayi kwabanye.
bayicela ukushare naye
Ngifuna ngishaye ikuku.
kukhona
Kamera kuku wenza. Wenza nawo, wenza manje kuku.
No, like uzongishaya.
Iza ngaphi phela
ngizothatha bamba tanga
amavile
Ufake
bicycle.
in.
bamba nota ukhuluma
Ngibambe ini.
maye khuluma naye
Yeah, so
Khulume naye.
sala ke. Ene money back.
Hayi, ngikushayele ne. Ngiyomshayela. Esangishaya umuntu wakhe. Ngawathi siyakhuluma la. Ana, wena utshela nobani?
Mike boy
Yeah.
Share the mind.
Ubani umuntu wakho?
Umuntu wami.
Unjani mhlobo ane? Ane?
Ayathi ngambe tu hayi.
Asivale namakhamera.
Yo, what's gonna you busy bike?
this might be the end of the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe afethu.
Ngena chai.
Guys, I am dropping once a week. Saturdays only, Bafetsu. Saturdays at morning. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. And shout out to Spoil Boy. Shout out.
Shout out to my. Yeah guys, shout out to me. Nginamasimba kakhulu.
What the boy now? Channel yakho.
Mina ngisana channel ngizothenga enye phone.
Okay. Tanga.
Asha input na.
What's your YouTube channel? Wena akho serious mos. Isho YouTube channel ngikufakele mina maye la.
Web.
Ayisayisho. Ozala.
Smart. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy, Cute Face. I'm sure that I like you a lot, like you a lot.
Guys.
Yeah.
Without further
Yeah,
ado, Goodbye and subscribe.
If
Ngabungtanda ngoba ungtanda ngowe